My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called Img Book. This is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension for Chrome claim that it is some handy extension that shows all images of the web page. Maybe this feature is helpful or valuable for some categories of people, but the problem with this extension is that it actually operates as adware. Once installed, the extension starts controlling your browser, and it also displays the great portion of numerous advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should of course undertake the measures and remove this unwanted extension from Google Chrome. Another problem with this extension is that it is often spread through integration with many free applications, so people often download and install it unintentionally. To remove unwanted extensions from Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools. Then you need to choose Extensions. Once again, go to the menu More Tools and then choose Extensions. So now you need to carefully disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here on this list. Disable the extension and remove the extension. This should help you fix the issue very well. But I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.